Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to make a quarter circle. So in here I will insert a cylinder and then you can resize the cylinder object. Next I will change for side to make it more smooth. You can create the box object. Okay, I will move into here. We create the second box object. I will select these two objects. Use align tools to move into center of the circle. And then I will resize this box objects to half. Next, I will select again these two objects. Then aligns again, make it move into center point. I will select, resize half into here. Then select all object and then use group tools to cut. The next, select this object, click duplicate, and then use mirror tools. I will mirror in this axis, then move to the right here. Select these two objects, click a duplicate, and then a mirror again. I will mirror in this y-axis, then move into here. So we create the basic quarter circle in TinkerCAD. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.